This is the macro show. This is pregame, okay? We're trying to play the game that's in front of us today. You know, leadership matters at Hedgeye. So again, being transparent, accountable, and trustworthy people. This is a game about playing and weighing probability. It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
Jimmy W. I still have money stuck in BREIT because of the freeze and redemptions.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and you had some good color the other day that I think they were able to redeem $666 million, the number of the beast, on a $4.5 billion in requested. But anyways, question is, so I've been heavily short Blackstone to counter it.
Good.
How are your institutional clients shorting these levered long commercial real estate companies?
Well, that's a really good question, and good on you. I mean,
That's
way to
actually a
hedge
very,
it.
very smart way to do it.
I don't know why. I mean, maybe Schwarzman. Can we send that to my man? You know, Yale guy, super smart. Ask him. You know, not really being honest with people about the exposure here. 15% of what was people wanted to redeem. So let's just say, so let's go back. So Jimmy's sitting there in his account, and he's like, look, let's say Jimmy's got whatever. He's got $100 in a BREIT, and he wants to take all 100 out. And Steve says, while I get paid, I'm going to give you $15. Okay, so Jimmy says, fuck you. I'm shorting. I'm gonna take this 85 that I still have left, and I'm going to short 85BX against it. I actually have STWD in there. ABR is another good one. We got a lot of different shorts from Simone. OXLC is a way to play CLOs as well. OXLC. Yesterday I was refreshing on that. Rob's got basically too many right now. People that have real estate leverage with a lot of shenanigans going on in terms of what would be required to continue to fund that shenanigan. But it's the same thing, right? I mean, they cannot fund the business, and they certainly can't. They can fund the business, but they can't fund the redemptions. So I'd encourage you to, if Steve's only going to give you 15 cents on the dollar, then short the other side. Steve, you would say that that's probably a good risk management piece of advice, wouldn't you? Yeah. I mean, it's nothing personal, Steve. If you don't want to give people all their money back and you told them that they could get their money back, don't forget that BREIT was marketed as a fund with liquidity. So you put this in and you get annual liquidity, I think that they initially sold it at. They sold it to accredited investors who would have like 250 grand or more, and then they started selling it downstream. So now you got a lot of people in there, Steve, that you weren't, it's just not honest. So let's just honestly short your stock against the exposure that you don't want to talk about. And if you want to talk about it on Hedgeye TV, I'd be happy to do it. I didn't call you names. I just talked about what you did. And I'm talking about what our subscriber did a damn good job against it.
All right, we're going to wrap it up there. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Back at it tomorrow for the last day of the week before the holiday. Take care.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.